welcoming a baby. Metagenesis into your life means resonating with the light of their presence. You know, that light that makes you so exceptional. Let's see together how to open up to it and take care of it. That's it, you have your baby metagenesis. Congratulations on all the conscious steps you've taken along the way. I know it's not easy, I've been through it myself. And that has prepared you to become guardians, guardians of diamond lands or of metagenesis. And now it's a new stage, a new next level that's beginning. So you have your baby metagenesis in its box. It's beautiful, it's very carefully presented. You have a lovely display. Instead of tearing the paper like this, you slide it open. And there you go, you reveal the absolutely beautiful and striking ironclad logo. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive printed manual available in 6 different languages. Choose yours. And this tiny little pouch that contains your very special baby metagenesis. Usage precautions. So with the metagenesis, we have to be very careful because if you drop it, it breaks, the corners break. As long as the engraving inside isn't damaged, the quality of the vibrational waveform won't change. However, if you break a corner, it can become sharp and a bit dangerous. Handle them with care, especially when you take them with you to the office, to school, to the construction site, on a job, in classrooms, as a home care aide, or as a nurse. Always remember to slip it into your bag, your purse, or the pocket of your pants or jacket at all times. So, the baby metagenesis is an absolutely personal item that should never be lent to others. You can simply lend it for 3 to 5 minutes. That's not a problem at all. So people can look at it, admire it, so your friends can really feel it. But you don't leave it with someone for an hour. Otherwise, you risk picking up the other person's miasmas. You know, in energetic light alchemy, there are objects called power objects. Those are not meant to be lent out. It's a sacred object. Take care of it as you would a precious ally. Now let's talk about installation options. As you can see here, it's carefully placed on the luminous base on a small, elegant stand. Here's the little stand. So, on the website, you have the option to buy the metagenesis, the baby, to buy the baby with the little stand, and to buy the baby with both the little stand and the luminous base. The little stand is practical because it allows you to set it down without having to place it in this position. And why do we place it in this position? I'll explain that to you right away. The luminous base has a particular feature. It won't necessarily amplify the shape wave phenomenon and the radiation by a lot. However, it will qualify it, which is not exactly the same thing. And you can take, for example, a strawberry fruit syrup. The qualification will be with strawberry, or perhaps a mint fruit syrup, for example. This distinction is important to understand. Here, when you set it to white, the baby metagenesis will emit a shape wave of purity, of light. But if you wear it in magenta or violet, for example, it will give an informational qualification to the shape wave with a different light frequency, a different vibrational level. So that's why luminous bases are important. How do you set it up, whether it's for the luminous base or for the necklace? We have the fourth option, so 100 with the stand and the luminous base and with the necklace. So I'll take this opportunity to explain how to set it up on the stand with the base or in the necklace. In each metagenesis, there is an earth-sky alignment. Here you have the upper tip, and you'll notice that in the tetragrammaton, this particular structure, which is carefully engraved in the metagenesis, there is a distinct tip that points directly toward the very top of the metagenesis. And below you have another tip, which is set a bit further back, pointing toward the opposite top of the metagenesis. So this forms a clear and well-defined vertical axis within the overall structure. And you can be sure you won't make a mistake. Why? Because here, look, you have one tip of the cube, another tip of the cube, another tip of the cube, and the fourth one. But there is no tip. That points exactly and specifically toward those vertices of the cube. So that means there is a vertical axis, and you will be able to see the torus take shape exactly, that is, this sphere that will re-enter the center exactly at the top and at the base. All right? So to place the baby metagenesis on its stand, we're going to identify the triangle, the tetrahedron that will rise toward the vertex. And we'll make sure to set it exactly facing upward. And this vertex, to further refine it, you can carefully make sure that it really and truly matches the vertex directly below so that there is absolutely perfect and precise alignment. So to install the baby metagenesis in the necklace, we'll simply apply exactly the same principle as before. That is, we'll position one point of the tetragrammaton toward the top, which will be facing upward. So you have the metagenesis necklace, which is different from the baby pterodiamond necklace because the pouch that contains the metagenesis is larger. This bead here will allow you to easily and safely adjust the height of your baby metagenesis here, or lower it even further down if needed, and the other bead will securely fasten it inside the pouch that holds it. So you simply slide this bead up, open the pouch just a little, and you will locate it. The top of the tetragrammaton that rises toward the top of the cube. Here, you gently and carefully slip it in, and then you put the metagenesis into the necklace pouch, making sure that the base of the metagenesis, the tip that points downward, is really and truly facing down, just as it should be. As a result, the tip that points upward, this one, will really and definitely be facing up. Next, you can put it around your neck and adjust the height with two possible positions. The position, as I have it here on the heart chakra, sends, 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 and it's non-stop, continuous, and ongoing. Sometimes when you feel like you need a break but still want some support, you can, for example, lower it just a little to the level of the solar plexus. And you can also put it back in its protective pouch and then safely place it in your pocket or handbag. All right? Additional recommendations. The baby metagenesis worn around the neck can be really very powerful. So at first it's simple. You wear it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. If it's too strong, just put it back in your pocket. Or you can place it on your solar plexus where it becomes more comfortable. And then over time, your alignment, your presence, and your light will adjust. You'll get used to it and you'll be able to wear it all day, just like I do. Another precaution for the baby metagenesis around the neck. It's fragile, especially the tips and the corners. If you're like me and tend to do things a bit too quickly, sometimes you'll go to the bathroom, brush your teeth, and then bend down to get water in your mouth because you haven't gotten into the habit of using the cup that's right there. And then the baby metagenesis might hit, for example, the edge of the sink. Be careful, attentive, and aware. In any case, the more you wear it, the more conscious, attentive, and present you'll become to who you are and what you're doing. So, the last important precaution for using the baby metagenesis device around your neck, it gently opens the heart and further develops your capacity for presence and love. You'll often feel like hugging people, and people will naturally want to give you a hug too, to be held, to have a real heart-to-heart connection. So here's a quick tip. When you arrive with your friends and you're about to hug someone, just slip it on, take a moment, and then give them a warm, heartfelt hug. Otherwise, the baby metagenesis will quickly remind you to do so, because then it's all good. You'll feel it, so you have your baby medal. Genesis, you know how to put it on, how to wear it. The baby metal Genesis isn't just something to look at, even though it's truly beautiful and visually stunning. It's a presence that transforms you deeply. In the next video, I'll show you how to use it and what benefits it brings you. Thank you. Let's work together for peace.